AI agent versus AI assistant. So let me explain when to use AI agent and also the AI assistant as well. So here I'm in a demo account, and if you go to the settings over here in settings, integrations over here, you can find AI agent and also the AI assistant as well. For example, if you choose OpenAI ChatGPT, here you can find the agents. So here AI agent give you control over how AI answer the customers based on your business information. So AI assistant also very similar, but you can actually upload large amount of data through the files. For example, you can actually upload multiple PDF files when you create assistant using your business information. So that's a slight difference between the AI agent and also the AI assistant. And keep in mind, OpenAI ChatGPT only support the AI assistant for now, but if you choose other models like Google Gemini, you don't see the AI assistant feature over here because they don't support the AI responses generated through the PDF files or any other files. So if you want to create an AI assistant using PDF files, then you will need to definitely choose the OpenAI ChatGPT model. And if you're actually planning to use AI agents, such as if you want to upload the data in just a text format, then you can actually choose any of these models right here. For example, let me choose OpenAI or ChatGPT over here, and let me go to the agents, click on manage over here. Here you have the option to create AI agents. So here we have one AI agent created for the Swift plumbing company right here, and here you have all the information about this particular company right here. So the beautiful thing about having these sort of agents is that you can simply update the prompt right here and it will get updated right away. So you might be actually using the same agent in multiple flows. For example, let me open a flow and let me actually create one flow over here, and let me say web chat AI chatbot. So let's see, you actually have used this particular agent you created within the flow builder right here. For example, OpenAI ChatGPT, and here choose generate text agents, and here you can easily choose whatever the model, and also here you have the option to choose the agent as well. So here I choose the agent right here. So likewise, you can actually have multiple flows for different business use cases, but you might be using the same agent. So if you want to update the business prompt information, you can come over here to integrations and simply update the business information right here in this agent, and it will easily get updated on the multiple flows. So that's a beautiful thing about using these sort of agents over here. But if you just use a generate text example over here, so let me show that as well. So if you use just generate text advanced, you might need to update the business information in multiple prompts over there, in multiple flows over there. So that's a disadvantages of using generate text advanced over here comparing with the AI agent. So now let me open the assistant over here. So as I mentioned, using the assistant, you can actually upload PDF files. For example, let me open this one, digital marketing AI. Here, as you see, you can simply upload the PDF files as well. So if you have multiple PDF files with your company information, you can upload all these things and simply use it in your prompts over there. For example, again, let me show that in an example in a flow builder. So here you can simply come over here, choose OpenAI, and simply choose the assistant over here. So here you have the option to choose whatever the assistant you have, and simply choose the response over here. And from there you can actually build any sort of conversational experience for your customers on different flows as well. So that's how you actually use the assistant over here. For example, here if you want to use these automated responses over here, that means if you switch this on, whatever the information you have provided right here, so here you can actually provide text information, or you can actually choose one agent over here. Otherwise you can also choose the assistant as well. So let me choose agent and choose this particular agent right here, which is related to a plumbing company. So what happens is that if you have this switched on, this will simply works on all these connected channels right here. So let me show how this actually works. So let me show this in a website over here. So here you can use this one, or simply duplicate this one as well. So let me make a duplicate of that one, and here let me say Swift flow plumbing, and here you can easily change these things as well and click save. So here simply get the link over here, all right, and paste it. So here it shows the previous chat as well, because you can actually delete that one existing contact. So let me simply send a message to track that contact and delete it. So here this is the contact, so let me delete this contact for now. Alright, and if I refresh this page, it will actually start from the fresh. So now if I send any sort of messages over here, hi there, where are you located, what's your phone number, what services do you provide? So here I just send a message, it simply responds to us right here. We are located at this particular area, this is the phone number, these are the services we provide. Simple as that. So likewise it simply works over here, and you can track all the conversation happening right here as well. So if you want to use AI assistant, you can simply come over here and choose the assistant over here and choose whatever the assistant you want to use. So in this case let me choose an assistant related to this particular restaurant over here. So let me choose this one. Alright, I have chosen this one. So here I have chosen the assistant this time and click continue. So this is about a restaurant, I guess. So let me go back here and let me get the link once again, the same link. So it will still say that plumbing over here. So let me ask this question: what do you sell? So here we receive the response. It says variety of food, burgers, sandwiches, salads, those kind of things. So let me ask about the pricing. How much is for the steaks? So let me ask this question and see how this actually respond to us over here. So here we receive the response saying different sort of steaks available, including the pricing as well. Simple as that. So here this is actually, these responses are generated from this assistant we have created right here. To keep simple, if you have a PDF file about your business information, just go with the assistant through the OpenAI ChatGPT integration right here. Otherwise, if you want to just provide some sort of textual information, you can simply use the agents as well. So that's a quick video on how you can actually use AI agent versus AI assistant. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.